I just sent it to you right now.
Thank you.
It's
Got it. Thank you.
I'm missing the retro in there, but I emailed you the retro. Did you receive that?
No, I just got the one email from you. Let me look and see what it is.
Good afternoon. This is call number 2020-33849 in the interest of Tariq, Tashay, and Tashay. Tariq Smith and the other two are Stricklands. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Waukesha Shaquita Smith, the mother.
And for the state.
Attorney Kavita Sharma for the state.
All right. Court will note that the non-custodial parent father is Antonio Roosevelt Strickland. He was personally served. On October 7th, 2020 at 11:01 a.m. at 5791 East Hampton Drive, Unit C in Houston, Harris County, Texas, and he has not filed an answer. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default. Default final hearing. There has been a temporary hearing that was we had by default, and he still hasn't filed an answer. So we'll proceed for default final hearing. Go ahead.
Your Honor, the state would like to call Ms. Smith.
Okay.
Ms. Smith, you are asking the court to appoint you and the father of the child as joint managing conservators. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And you're asking that the court allow you to determine the children's primary residence without regard to geographic location?
Correct.
And you're asking the court to do a standard possession order for visitation for the children with their father?
Correct.
And you're also asking the court to, hold on one second, I'm sorry. You're also asking the court to order child support that the child support officer will testify to, and 9 modified visits for each phase, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Your Honor, I'd like to come back and call Mr. Arnold Barrera to the stand.
Okay.
Mr. Barrera, can you please state where you're employed?
Work for the Office of the Attorney General,
And your position there?
Child Support Officer.
And what is the nature of your responsibilities and duties as a child support officer?
I conduct investigations on calculating child support and retroactive child support.
And have you calculated child support in this matter?
Yes, I have.
What are your calculations?
Mr. Strickland's monthly gross income is $3,628.33 after taxes and $250 for medical. For health insurance, his net income is $2,807.45. Child support for 3 children will be $842 to begin July 1st, with a medical support of $250 to begin also July 1st.
Okay. And did you mention the retroactive?
I also calculated the retroactive child support from October 4th, 2019 through December 31st, 2020, in the amount of $12,680. Then the arrears from the temporary order that was started January 1st of 2021 through today, his arrears from the temp order is $263.05, which makes a child support judgment with the retro and the arrears judgment of $12,943.05 as of June the 8th, 2021, with the payout of $100 a month beginning July 1st. Also, the judgment on the medical support is $250.78 as of June the 8th, 2021, with a payout of $25 a month to begin July 1st and monthly thereafter.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Barrera.
You're welcome.
And you included the cash medical support of $250 a month as well to start on July 1, 2021?
That is correct.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, I have no further questions for Mr. Barrera. May he be excused?
No. Ms. Smith, do you have any questions of Mr. Barrera?
Yes, just one. Do you mind telling me the complete total of monthly, how much I'll be getting in total?
Oh, well, you can talk to the AG about that after we've had this hearing, okay?
Well, no further questions, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Barrera, you're excused.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor. And the state would like to call Ms. Smith again, please, Your Honor.
okay.
And Ms. Smith, are you asking the judge to order child support as Mr. Barrera stated?
Yes,
And are you asking the court to order court costs be billed to the father, Mr. Strickland?
yes.
Okay. And Your Honor, that's all the questions I have for Ms. Smith at this time.
Okay. You're going to submit that order today?
Yes, Judge, Mr. Barrera is still working on it.
Yeah, but you'll be submitting it for signature today, right?
Yes, Judge, we will submit it for signature. And
All right.
I have one more question for Ms. Smith that I forgot to ask her. And Ms. Smith, do you know if Mr. Strickland has any other children that he's providing support to?
Honestly, I do not know if he's paying child support for any other children. I don't know.
And do you know if he has any other children under 18 that's living in the home with him?
No, not with him, no. He does have another child that is in Houston, but she does not live with her mother.
Okay, thank you. And Your Honor, I believe that's all. And Mr. Barrera will get the order to me. We will submit it to the court for signatures today.
Okay, that order as read into the record will be approved. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be